this one in for me. Check this out, guys. This is straight from Horizon Hobby, the new Super Baja Rey 2.0. This has been making its way around, but I can't believe I've got the blue version. I was able to get it. Look at all the stuff that's on the box already. An LED up top, an LED in the front grille, new tires. This has the smart technology in it. 4-wheel drive, ready to run. There is an app where you can actually download and see your speed and everything that comes straight from using your smart ESC. Look at this. Not only does it have a DX3 with the optional telemetry on there, but this is up to 8S ESC with a 750 kV 1/6 scale brushless motor. And that ESC is a smart ESC, which will automatically tell you how fast you're going when you are having the app on your phone or whatever smart device you're using. There's the LED lights, the Method Race and Beadlock wheels. Yes, Beadlock wheels. And the BF Goodrich tires. I've had them on lots of my RCs, but it's great to see it on this one. Moving on, I love it. You guys know that I'm a fan of King shocks. It's actually on my full-size truck that I just gave away to my buddy Steve. That had King shocks on it, and I am glad to have a new set of Kings here in the studio. Enough blathering on. Let's get inside the box and see what there is. Get the proper blade out. There we go. Factory sealed, baby. What do we have? Bum, ba, bum. This is my favorite part every time. Oh, yes. Look at that. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's like got a jack on the back. Well, a scale jack, right? Like it's there for looks, but that is phenomenal. Let me get it out of the box here. Wow. Oh, mama. Look at this beautiful LED bar, guys. True LED lights in there. This thing is massive as well. And then this gorgeous one. Look at that. Wow. It looks like a Rigid LED bar, like Rigid Industries. It's got a nice plastic front to it. These are decals beside it, but this is all clear plastic up front. Insane! I thought this was just Lexan, but this is actually a whole rubber shield up here. Beautiful. Method beadlock wheels. Unbelievable. Look on the inside. This thing is built tough. Or it looks built tough. Wow. So, no way does the drive shaft actually get hot. It does say warning on there. Look at those upper suspension links as well. All metal. And then there's the on-off switch right there. It's nice and easy to get to. Right on. So that must be why they say warning hot on the drive shaft. Is while you go to turn it on and off, you just got to reach through it. Sorry about that. All of a sudden I feel like a proctologist. And does that do it for you? Does that do it for you? What about the bottom one? You got to work the top one first and then the bottom one. Oh, that's only if you're calibrating. So there's the back of the vehicle now all unwrapped. This is just so much more than I thought when I was ordering it and bringing it in. In person, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, there is a rear LED light there. 2 fan shrouds, no fans behind it. That's okay though. Here's the resis, what's supposed to be, I would imagine, for the suspension. That's where the reservoirs would go. Look at how easily that moves. I love it. All metal bottom, and then look at this. This is like a lock for the battery. You can actually See if I can do this with one hand. Just take the whole battery, you pull this lever out, and then you can actually pull. It's because I'm using one hand. What the fuck? There we go. Just like that. You can actually take the battery door off. There's a huge piece of foam in here. Look at this foam. Take that out. You can stick massive batteries in there. And then right underneath is the motor. Access granted. Wow. That is a massive motor, guys. Here, this is a normal 1/10 scale motor compared to the motor that is in there. It's like two of them. A 1/6 scale motor from Spektrum. I might as well put them in there now. I've got two 4S of the Smart technology batteries. Look at this, 100C discharge on 4S at 5,000 milliamps. Two batteries plugged in here. This thing is going to rip. These shocks are nice and massive. Wow. Wow. It's so rare I get a nice RC that just makes me stop, especially that's an RTR version. There's where the two batteries are going to get plugged in. So an 8S ESC. I'm going to start with 6S LIPO just to introduce myself to the truck. But this is just some kind of sexy, guys. Unbelievable. Here, I turned it on so you can have a look at it before it goes and gets all dirty. S LIPO, ready to go. Got active vehicle control on here, which is basically a gyro system that will help keep in a straight line, and it's 4-wheel drive. It's going to rip on 8S. Here we go, coming in, a little bit of throttle. Nice. Just getting to know the vehicle. She sounds mean. There we go. So nice. Coming out. Woohoo! Yeah! That's what we're talking about. Oh, there I go, that's okay. Good recovery, straight out of the dust. I love the cloud. Yeah! An opportunity to kind of wind it up a little bit. Quarter throttle, one throttle, full throttle. Oh, I can't believe I made that. Throttle, full throttle. Oh, and I flew right past the log. Can you believe how far that went? I was full throttle right at the end. I thought for sure I was gonna hit the log, but no, instead I sailed way past it. Totally worth another slow motion look at it. Throttle. Full throttle. Oh. Look at that, you can't even see. That's how dusty it is today. But it makes for some killer looking footage. Look at this, the Losi Baja Rey, my friend. I can't even get it to 50% throttle on 8S. Insane power that's behind the wheels. And so dusty out on the track, but so worth it. Can we get a backflip out of going and hitting the tire? Oh, just upside down. Big fail on that. but it wasn't like it was the angle to make it. Look, the car is totally fine. 1/6 scale, huge. This thing can take a beating and keep on going. Those King shocks performing. Beautiful. I did not install the app yet. I will come back and do more experimentation with the Losi Baja Rey on 8S LIPO. I've had an amazing day. I hope you consider subscribing to our channel because we have tons of radio control hobby fun here. And until next time, guys, thanks for joining us in RC Adventures. And like I always say, get outside and have fun with the RC hobby. You know I always do. Bye for now. Woohoo!